Hello and welcome to another Process Love Candy. My name is Mark Sheard, and today's piece of love candy I'm going to be drawing the wonderful Miss Nadia Faye, a.k.a. the Pinup Seamstress. I'll be putting links down below so you can follow her work and see what she does. She's a wonderful pin-up artist and a brilliant seamstress. She makes most of her own fashion, and so she's a wonderful inspiration for me to draw this sequence of poses, of which I'm going to animate at the end of the video. So right now I'm just using a variety of mediums. I'm using a red col-erase pencil to do my rough, and then I'm using a black uniball pen, and this time I've switched it up for a copic marker, a brush marker, to do the thicker lines. I like to use a variety of thick and thin pens, which really gives a nice bold line work to my vision. Now going to add a little bit of colour to my work. I like using a small palette. Restricts the amount of colours I use, and then you can just focus on those to make sure that they match and look lovely. I'm putting down a few little washes first of ink just to get in a little bit of shadow and depth, and then I go in with my bold colours. I'm really laying this on quick and fast so I can get nice textured inks and let it bleed in, and then I just go over with a hairdryer to cement it so I don't end up smudging it when I do the final line work. A little bit of posca white in the end there. And now let's watch Miss Nadia Faye come to life in this little bit of animation I've made for you. So thank you very much for watching this little bit of animation. I hope you're all wonderful, and I'll see you in the sunshine. This has been Sheard. Bye.